Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to request a new Bluetooth card for our Touchless Access Control Solution. Ideal for small to medium businesses, this solution provides touchless access, a lightweight system featuring a web-centric operation, and PoE for simplified installation and reduced construction costs. The Touchless Access Control Solution for small to medium businesses utilizes the ASC3202B access controller. It has a built-in web server and features a main and sub mode. This solution requires at least one main controller and can support up to 19 sub-controllers, 40 doors, and 1,000 users. In conjunction with the DMSS app and Bluetooth card, a Bluetooth card reader provides touchless entry with 3 distance modes: short, medium, and long range. So how do you get this Bluetooth card? Let me show you. Here I am in the person management section of the access control platform. First, I need to add a new user. It is essential to input their DMSS account email address. Once the new user has been added, we can request a new Bluetooth card by going to the Edit section, selecting Authentication, and scrolling down to Bluetooth card. Select Request through email, and you'll see the Bluetooth card number. Now it's time to grant permissions to this card. Let's give them access across the board. Great! Operation successful. Perhaps you may need to request a new Bluetooth card for multiple users. Let me show you how easy it is. First, let me make another user. Remember, the DMSS account email is very important. Now that I have multiple users, I'm going to select all the ones that I want to request a new Bluetooth card for and press Batch Issue Cards. I only have 2 users, so I'll click Issue Cards to all users. Submit through the Request through Email button, and there you have it. Before I forget, you can also reuse existing Bluetooth cards by selecting Request through Registration Code. As I mentioned, the Bluetooth Access Reader supports 3 distance modes. Head to the Access Control Config section under Door Parameters and find Unlock Settings. There, you'll see the 3 ranges next to Bluetooth mode. Let's look at how the Bluetooth card interacts with the reader. Here you can see my Bluetooth card on the DMSS app. It offers 2 trigger modes: Auto Unlock and Shake to Unlock. Let's check out how the reader reacts to these trigger modes and the different distances. Here are the recommended products for the Touchless Access Control Solution. For more information about our products and solutions, you can visit our links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.